With deep roots in Japan, MetaPlanet, a publicly traded company listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange, has embarked on a strategic transformation by leveraging the digital asset Bitcoin as its principal treasury reserve asset. MetaPlanet will utilize excess cash flow and implement accredited corporate governance, including financial management strategies such as debt and equity financing, to further its Bitcoin accumulation. This strategic pivot is driven by Bitcoin's unique attributes, including its absolute scarcity and apolitical monetary policy. Simon Gerovich leads a team of seasoned professionals with expertise in finance, trading, real estate, and Bitcoin. The vision is a Bitcoin strategy with the goal to enhance shareholder value through strategic, perpetual Bitcoin accumulation. In this interview, Simon answers 5 questions. I first asked him, given MetaPlanet's involvement in real estate, now with a significant Bitcoin holding, would it be accurate to describe MetaPlanet as a form of a real estate investment trust, a REIT, with a focus on Bitcoin? He answers that while MetaPlanet retains some legacy real estate assets, we are not structured or operated as a REIT. Our transformation into a Bitcoin-focused company positions us as Asia's first Bitcoin treasury company, with a clear strategy centered on Bitcoin accumulation and monetization. Unlike a REIT, our remaining real estate asset, the Royal Oak Hotel in Gotanda, serves as a strategic purpose aligned with our Bitcoin mission rather than being a part of the broader real estate portfolio. It provides a unique opportunity to create a space for education, collaboration, and community building around Bitcoin. This is a reflection of our broader vision to onboard more people into Bitcoin, especially in Japan, while cementing MetaPlanet's identity as a pioneer in corporate Bitcoin adoption. My second question is about the recent stock volume, the interest and enthusiasm, which appears to be very high. What steps is MetaPlanet taking to educate new potential stakeholders curious about Bitcoin? And how do you recommend individuals further their knowledge in this area on their own? The surge in interest surrounding MetaPlanet reflects growing enthusiasm for Bitcoin and recognition of our leadership in its adoption. To educate and engage potential shareholders, we've secured the exclusive license to launch Bitcoin Magazine Japan, positioning MetaPlanet to become a leading voice for Bitcoin in Japan. This initiative aims to serve as a trusted source for news, analysis, and educational content about Bitcoin, with the goal of onboarding millions of Japanese individuals and organizations into the Bitcoin ecosystem. By fostering collaboration between financial institutions, regulators, and the Bitcoin community, Bitcoin Magazine Japan reflects our commitment to driving Bitcoin adoption and innovation in Japan and beyond. For those looking to deepen their understanding of Bitcoin, we recommend starting with The Bitcoin Standard by Saifedean Almas. This foundational book provides an excellent introduction to Bitcoin's origins, its role in the global financial system, and its potential to shape the future of money. In my third question, I asked if there are any new projects or initiatives that these gains are fueling. I'd love to have a little bit of color to the possible Bitcoin hotel in Gotanda. Simon said one of the most exciting initiatives we're developing is centered around the Royal Oak Hotel in Gotanda. This hotel, strategically located near the Meguro River and major transport lines, is being envisioned as more than just a hospitality asset. It's a hub for the Bitcoin community. Japan currently lacks a permanent dedicated space for Bitcoiners to meet, connect, and collaborate. The Gotanda Bitcoin Hotel aims to fill this gap by offering an environment that educates visitors on Bitcoin's origins, its transformative potential, and the problems it solves. The space will host workshops, meetups, and educational sessions designed to onboard more people into Bitcoin, while also acting as a bridge between Japan and the global Bitcoin community. It's a natural extension to our mission to onboard the next million people in Japan into Bitcoin and positions Japan at the forefront of this paradigm shift. By integrating elements of education, community, and innovation, he believes that this initiative will contribute meaningfully to the broader Bitcoin ecosystem. Question 4, with the accumulation of Bitcoin, security and custody become paramount. And I asked if he could discuss MetaPlanet's approach to Bitcoin's custody. Is it a partnership with SBI for this purpose? Simon responds that they have selected SBI VC Trade as their custody partner due to their strong reputation and compliance standards as a part of the SBI Group, one of Japan's largest and most trusted financial institutions. This partnership ensures that our Bitcoin holdings are managed securely and in full compliance with Japanese regulations, providing confidence to our shareholders and aligning with our commitment to operational excellence. Transparency is a cornerstone of our strategy. And to further reinforce trust, we have also partnered with Hoseki, a leading provider of Bitcoin verification solutions. Hoseki's platform allows us to independently verify our Bitcoin holdings, embodying the Bitcoin ethos of don't trust, verify. These partnerships not only strengthen our security and accountability, but also set a high standard for transparency, which is critical as we continue to lead in Bitcoin adoption. With new technology emerging for hybrid DeFi, CeFi solutions using Bitcoin, such as Flare Networks in their F Assets, FBTC, and Cardano's integration of Bitcoin via Midnight, what does the future hold for safe and scalable yield mechanisms compliant with KYC and AML regulations? We see Bitcoin as the premier form of digital capital for the 21st century, and as adoption increases, we expect a growing number of innovative financial services to emerge using Bitcoin as a foundational asset. These developments will likely expand the ways institutions and businesses interact with Bitcoin, whether as collateral, a benchmark, or a reserve asset. For us at MetaPlanet, our focus remains on measuring performance through Bitcoin-first lens. Our primary objective is to generate additional Bitcoin per fully diluted shareholding, ensuring that we are consistently creating a long-term value for our shareholders. As Bitcoin continues to gain traction, we are excited to see how its integration into financial systems evolve globally. I want to thank Simon so much for spending the afternoon with us in Tokyo at the Gajoen Hotel for a wonderful coffee and chat, and I wish him and his team the absolute best.